In this episode of I Tried It, I'm going to test this side hustle that claims that you can make $7 every 60 seconds just by watching videos. I'm going to tell you how long I actually tried this side hustle. I'm going to show you and tell you my results and if there's something better that you could do to make more money. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we are going to take a look at this side hustle that claims that we can make $7 every 60 seconds. I'm going to reveal the exact process that the original content creator suggested. I'm going to talk about if this works, if this makes sense, and if you should do something else. Now, if you want me to test different side hustles, reply or comment to this video or really any video of mine, and I will take a look, because my goal is to help you sift through the crap and to actually start making money. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So what the original video talks about is going to a website called zoombucks.com, and you are simply going to watch videos and you are going to get paid. You are going to make sure that you watch the ads, and that's all you have to do. Literally, that is the entire process, and you will magically make $7 again and again and again. As you can see here, this is my back office of ZoomBucks. So let's talk about it. Let's talk about a few different things. Now, one thing that I found on their website is if I look under tips and tricks, let's look at a few different things. Step 3, watch videos and earn points. Hideout.tv awards 7 points for every 3 videos watched with ads. Ludably offers 5. So in order for you to be able to make money, you have to convert points into dollars. We're going to talk about the conversion rate. I'm sure you guys will hold me accountable to the math. But so if we look at this, you have to watch 3 videos with ads to earn 7 points. Now, if we look at the tips and tricks, check the leaderboard as well. Our most loyal members earn up to $500 worth of points per month. So if the original content creator is telling us that we can earn $7 every 60 seconds unlimited, and their website is saying that most people earn $500 or less, that already gives us a red flag of things not making sense. But let's go ahead and take a look at some conversion rates and some maths and all of that good stuff. So if we look, what I want to go to is I want to go to gift cards and cash. We'll take a look at this. Look at this. Guaranteed 1,000 points equals $1 for completing About Me. So if we just did the math there, in order to earn $1, you need to generate 1,000 points. So if we did $7, 7,000 points. Hopefully my math is working properly at this moment. So if we click on offers, because what I want to show you is I want to show you how many points you need in order to earn a $5 PayPal gift card. It's going to be surprising actually. So if we look at this, Microsoft Store, $5 to $10, $5 to $100. Let me see if we can find PayPal. Okay, so PayPal is usually the easiest way. We'll click on redeem like this, and to earn $5, you need to earn 5,250 points. So 5,250 points. If you want to earn $100, you would need to earn over 100,000 points in order to earn $100. And again, if we go back to that original screen here, in order to earn 1,000 points, that equals $1. So this already seems like it's going to be a tough sell. Now, what I actually did is I actually tried this process for 5 hours. I woke up at 2 in the morning. I don't know why I was up at 2 in the morning. I watched this video and I figured I'd give it a try. And so what I did is I logged in and I followed the process, and I actually opened up 2 different tabs to have ZoomBucks playing for the 5 hours. So I went back to sleep, I went to the gym, I played basketball, I went and got coffee, and now I'm back here and I'm making this video with my proof. So if we go back, let's go to watch, because this is what you're going to need to do. If we look at this now, this is important. 5 points for 3 videos with ads, credits unlimited times. Videos must contain ads either before or after the video in order to be credited. If we click on more info, you can see here, minimum payout to redeem from loot.tv is 10 points, so I need to earn 10 points. So if I click on start, hopefully it shows you how many points I've accumulated. because I actually did the original video on a different computer. If we look at this, hopefully it has my points accumulated. All right, finally, I re-logged in, and as you can see here, you're just going to watch these videos in order to earn points. Now, how many points do you think I've earned in my 5 hours? If you look in the top right-hand corner, it says that I've earned a grand total of 210 points. I'm going to click on redeem here, and you can see here we're going to, the account's already linked, so I'm just going to click on redeem points. No account selected. There we go. So even worse, when I redeem my 210 points, it only converts to 147 points over on Zoombucks. So you guys can see that in my 5 hours of doing this, and hopefully I can get the video over to this account, but in my 5 hours of doing this, I earned $210 over on Lootably, which converted to $147, which will get me absolutely nothing. Now, again, I have multiple tabs open as the original video suggested, and this is going to be a complete waste of your time, guys. These are the types of videos that I watched many, many months ago, years ago at this point, and I would try them, and I got frustrated because I didn't earn $7 every 60 seconds. As you can see, $147, what does that convert to? Probably less than a penny. If we go over to gift cards and cash, we'll click on JCPenney, for example. We'll click on redeem. You can see I have insufficient points. I'm not going to be able to do anything with this, and this is going to be a waste. So ultimately what happens, and this is the trick that these types of websites play, you're going to spend 5 hours doing this and not make any money. You are going to get frustrated and give up. And a company like Zoombucks and Lootably, they realize that most people are not going to even achieve this $5 threshold. So they essentially have made a bunch of money off of you by having you watch the videos, and you're never going to claim the prize. So guys, please don't waste your time doing these. Now, I'm sure somebody's going to say, because I had it in the original video, someone's going to say, I made a bunch of money with this, but the odds and chances of you being successful with Zoombucks is a very long shot. Okay. First of all, there's a number of problems with it. One, you're only making money when you're actively engaged with the website. So again, I only made money when I had the laptop open. I only made $147, which pales in comparison to the amount of money that original video claimed. Two, it's going to be very difficult to meet that threshold of $5, whatever that $5,000, whatever that number was. In the time that it took you to watch these videos or set this up, you could have created 10 TikTok videos to schedule to upload. You could have created 3 YouTube videos. You could have used ChatGPT to help you write YouTube scripts so that you could create a faceless YouTube video and ultimately a faceless YouTube channel. So again, I started creating this type of content because I was in this exact same position. And it wasn't until I realized that I should create my own blog, I should make my own YouTube channel, I should create my own TikTok videos when TikTok came around, that once I started doing that type of stuff, that's when I was able to make money online. Not this other junk, because this junk doesn't work. And as some of you guys know, that these types of YouTube channels will create these types of videos to monetize it with Google AdSense or the YouTube Partner Program. And ultimately, they don't care if you find success or not, because it's all about getting the YouTube ad revenue. Whereas I want to make sure that I'm creating content to help you. And this type of content hopefully helps you see that going to a website like Zoombucks isn't ultimately going to help you reach your end goal of making money online. It's going to waste your time, waste your money, and you're ultimately going to be more frustrated. So a better opportunity is literally doing anything when it comes to creating content. So create something and then put the content out into the world, and then you're going to be in a much better position. For example, you create a YouTube video. People can watch that YouTube video 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Multiple people can watch the video, and you can be successful in multiple ways. Same thing with TikTok or Instagram, wherever your preferred content choices. So don't waste your time with this method. It is not going to help you make money online. It is a complete waste of time. Now that you know that the video that claims that you can make $7 every 60 seconds will not work, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbold.com/start for free affiliate marketing planners. Those planners will help you plan your content, whether it's on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and it'll help you organize your affiliate marketing business. Click the first link in the description or go to austingodbold.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow a successful online business.